welcome to Living Room Theater. It's me, Ksa, and I am really stoked to make some theater with you today. Today we are going to play a theater game, so let's get up and I'll explain how this is going to work. We are going to play a game called Deepest Desire. This is a game that is all about trying really hard to get what you want. So I am going to give you an animal, what their deepest desire is, or what they want more than anything else, and an obstacle, or the reason why they're having a hard time getting what they want. Then you're going to take some time exploring that animal and feeling what that feels like to be that animal, and then think about that thing that they want, start to really want it, and then either overcome the obstacle so you can get what you want, or go around it and find a different way to get what you want. Remember that this is not just a little want or a wish. This is their deepest desire, the thing they want more than anything in the world. So the first one I'm going to do with you. We are going to pretend that we are horses. So you can come down onto all fours, or however you think that a horse would be if you were acting them out, and just walk around like you're a horse and just kind of feel that in your body. Think about other horses you've seen and have fun kind of being a horse for a second. And then once you've had time to be a horse, what this horse wants more than anything else is to eat an apple. Ugh, they want it so much. So think about that apple, think about that juicy apple, how good that would feel. Oh my gosh, I really want one. But the obstacle is that we are kind of short and apples are pretty high on the tree and we can't quite reach it. So try to figure out how to get what you want. Go for it. Great, good job. All right, so your next one is you are a butterfly and you really want to go dancing, but your best friend doesn't. So think about what it's like to be a butterfly, think about what it's like to want to go dancing, and then try to get around that obstacle. Have fun. All right, great job. I hope that you got what you wanted. Now you are a squirrel and you really want to climb a tree, but your obstacle is that you're really nervous you're gonna fall. So think about that and then either try to get over that obstacle or find another way to get what you want. Go for it. Great job, squirrels. All right, now you are a hummingbird. And gosh, you really want to watch a movie, but you are so excited that you can't sit still long enough to watch it. So think about that and try to get what you want. Great job. All right, now you are a snake and you really want to get some food. You're pretty hungry, but you're also so tired that you don't even know if you can get over to the fridge. So think about that and try to get some food. Good luck. All right, wonderful job. For your last one, you are a monkey and you want to put some shoes on, but you don't know how to tie them. So try to figure that problem out. Yay, great job, everyone. I had so much fun making some living room theater with you today. I hope that you had fun and I hope that you sincerely got your deepest desire. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that we can keep making theater later. And finally, from my living room to yours, let's make some theater.